In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project plan in ClickUp. Whether you're managing a small team or overseeing a large department, having a well-organized project plan in ClickUp can make all the difference. It helps you organize tasks, set priorities, and keep everyone aligned, all in one convenient platform. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to create a space. In the ClickUp hierarchy, spaces come immediately after your workspace. Think of them as big categories or departments where you can organize all your projects and lists. Consider them the foundation upon which you'll build more detailed layers of your project plan. To create a space, simply click the plus sign located within the space section. Once you do this, you'll be prompted with options to customize the space to meet your specific needs, like naming and choosing who can access it. Within your newly created space, you'll find cards. In ClickUp, these cards represent different methods to view and manage your tasks, tailored to suit various workflow styles. Each card holds essential task details, such as the task name, the person assigned to it, its due date, and its current status. By selecting different views such as list, board, or calendar, you can easily visualize and organize your work in a way that makes the most sense for you. If you want to add a new card, simply click on the Add Card button at the top right corner. Moving on, it's time to add a list. A list in ClickUp is essentially a collection of tasks that are generally grouped by a specific project, workflow, or category within a space or folder. To add one, click the plus sign beside your space and select the list option. This will allow you to categorize your tasks into more focused collections, making it easier for you and your team to stay organized. Now, within the list section, you have the option to add columns or fields according to your specific requirements. You'll notice there are numerous options to choose from. Don't be overwhelmed. Think about the key information you want to capture for each task and customize accordingly. With your list customized, it's time to delve into tasks. A task in ClickUp is your individual action item or piece of work. This essential unit can contain details like the assignee, due dates, priorities, and even subtasks. When you're editing a task, there are a few important fields to pay attention to. Start with the assignee, the team member responsible for completing the task. Assigning someone ensures there's accountability. Next is the due date, the deadline for the task. Setting a due date helps you keep your project on track and lets everyone know when things should be wrapped up. Finally, there's the priority level. This marks how urgent or important a task is. Highlighting high-priority tasks allows your team to know what must be tackled first. And there you have it. With ClickUp, creating a clear and effective project plan is straightforward. You can assign tasks, set deadlines, and ensure your team remains focused and informed. Happy planning, and stay organized.